Let's see if we can get all this mess into a block like this. I'm going to want, oh no, where is it at? Oh, right here. Okay, you know what I need? Yeah, it is right here. Here's what we were looking for. I want to make 4 more squares. So, we're going to lay them out. And we are going to start cutting them down. There we go. I need the, come on. That turntable thing to do. I bet this will work. Alright, what I want to make is a star block. Come on. I hate it when this don't work. Alright, make a star block. Alright, let's see what we can do about doing one. See what we can do here. Alright. We got the flower. And let's see, do I want, yeah. Oh man, I need to make this a whole lot bigger. Don't I? Yes, you do. Because this is what, yep, I'm going to find something to go up in here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's gonna have to be bigger. I don't know what I'm thinking. I don't know what I'm thinking, but that one has to be bigger. Sandy, what is your thinking? Don't know. I have no idea. But I know that these need to be smaller. Way smaller. Way smaller. Alright. So, I can put, what do you call it? Like a 2-inch around it. And I think that would probably be better to enlighten this. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to enlighten this with what? Let's see, where's about, yeah, about 2.5 inches. Let's see if I can't find something that's pretty for 2.5 inches. Alright. Now, I got these on here, and I'm going to have to trim it down just a tad on this one side. Will work just fine. Yeah, I got one extra right there, and I want to get rid of it. Yeah, I was thinking, you know that song, "You're a dumbass," a bona fide dumbass. Yeah, man, that's me right now today. Alright. Yeah, now that right there should get it to where we want it. And that's the way, yeah, I'm hoping that it will work now. Ooh, I don't like that one. So we can't iron it down. Don't you get in my way. Alrighty. I'm going to sew all this right here down, and hopefully it'll line up and look good. Alrighty. Here's what it looks like. I think it looks good, but however, I forgot to trim my blocks, and I should have trimmed my blocks. Alright, I was so interested in playing with this flower thing, and I think it looks good. Alright, so now, let's see what we can do about doing the rest of it. And I have got to try to trim my blocks down the next time I do it. Alright, I need to wipe this down again. It's like, alright, now, I'm done with this one. Now, I'm hoping, let's see, yeah, ooh, we got a piece missing out of here. And I'm going to want 4 of these. So, let's see what we can do. I don't think I can get 4 out of this part. I think I'm going to have to, yeah, I'll have to go over. Alright, might as well. This is what I want, so this is what I'm going to do. Hardy har. Maybe I need to iron it. So let me iron it, and I'll go ahead and cut it down. Alrighty, I have these cut down. I hope what I got in my mind will work. Alright, now this right here is going to be too small. So, where's that? So, yep, see here. Alright, I know I'm gonna have to trim everything down, but we're done with this one. So, I'm gonna want to cut, oh man. Yeah, what do you lay on my material and stuff for? Alright, let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna want to cut down, and I can't use my rotary, so I'm gonna have to go with this and try to cut all the way up. Okay, but watch. Okay, let's go on up. There we go. Alright, I'm going to want 4 of it. So, let's see. I don't need cutting all of that. I want to make sure, yeah, I go over a little bit more. Let's get this right here part right. Yeah, we can do that. There we go. Alright, now, let's see if I can give this cut down. Boy, I'm telling you. Alright. Now, I want to do these the same way and sew them down the middle. Right down through here. Alright. We'll be back. From the looks of it, this one's not going to work because you got about 3 inches. Well, a little bit less, about 2.5 inches. So I would have to cut 2.5 inches and sew it down here on each and every one of them to make these work. And this one right here would have to be cut down. Oh, I don't know what would it be? Let's find my 1 or 2. So I want to work right here. So I would have to cut like 1.5 inches off of this one to make this one equal up to this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one aside, and I've already done got the rest of them sewed. But let's see, how am I going to do this? Fold that way. And I'm going to finish this block up, but I will do it later. So I'm going to get rid of this one and not use it because it's not working out the way I want it to. And I am going to go ahead and I'm going to move to my bigger one. So here where it will fit better in here after I get sewing it. Alright, so I'm going to go through, what did I do with that material? Yeah, birdie. I know I had it. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and cut me down 4 of them. I have to have 4. And I'm not going to have enough of this material to cut 4. So that means I need to go find another medium material. Alright, that's just the way the ball bounces. Alright, so now we're going to go up to a bigger block. And I'm going to save this part for something else. So what I learned was it has to go up like 2. Well, yeah, like 2 blocks to make it work. And I'm not 1.5. It's just not working out that way. So let's see if I can't scoot this down. Save that little bit up there at the top for scraps. And that way we can have some more scraps to go through. Boy, I would love to get all that box done. But I keep on playing with it and then I just quit. And that way I just don't just quit. And I don't know why I would do that, but I do. It's like, oh, I have something else I want to do. Like this right here. I was working on scraps, and I thought of this. I said, oh, I don't want to do it because I want to finish the quilt before this one. But, however, it didn't work that way. So, I have 4 white ones already here. And I'm hoping that this right here will work the way that I want it to. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and go and sew these down, and then we'll be back. Alrighty, I have these right here done. It's been a while, so I need to do this. A dirt. I hate doing this every damn time. Alright, so I'm going to want to make sure I got just one set. And we're going to half them down the middle. Alright, there's two. Now, I want to take this. Alright, and find my bigger. I want to just take two of them. Let's see, here's 11, 1. So 1, and we're going to go down, and it's 10. So I want to go 10, go 11 so I can trim it down. So, let's see what I can do here. Lay it down there, and 1. Okay. 1. Where's my 11? Okay, here's my 11. So I want to turn it. Alright. 11 and 11. I want to put it on my sew line. So there's 11 and 11. Trim down. Okay, you want to do that? Fine. Alright, I'm hoping that's right. But if it ain't, we'll find out here in a few minutes. Alright, 11 on my sew line. 11 on my sew line. There we go. Alright, now I want to iron it down. Oh yeah, you're nice and hot now. Oh, come on. Yeah, you would do that after I got done. Alright. I hope this works out this time. I really do. Oh, come on. Alright. Now, I want to take these two and I'm going to sew them down after I clip off the dog ears.
As is often the case with these wrong-house swap rings, they get the search warrant affidavits, which would have the information.
Alright, let's go sew these down and see if they will work out just fine on this. Alrighty, I got it sewed down. Now, let's see what we can do here to... Okay, here it is. And now here it is. Yeah. And that hits it. Yeah. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other ones, and I'm gonna sew everything down. And then that way, we got this part done. Alrighty, I think we're going to try to start working with this now. So, let's get this out here. It don't matter which way it goes. Alright, this right here can be put over here for now. And we are going to put these on here. Oh my god, yeah. Okay, this right here is way too long. I guess because we got it right there. I don't know. Yeah, it's way too long. This one is. I wonder if I cut it down. I don't remember. But it's hitting right here. But it ain't here. And it's not hitting right here. So, now, okay, yeah, we got it at 10. So maybe I do need to go down to 10 on it. So let's just see what we got here. Fold it in half. Now I can't cut on this side. Only cut on this side. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, go 10 over from my sewing line. Alright, where's my sewing line over here? Okay, right there. And right there. Alright, and then down. See how this right here ain't? Let's see if I trim it off and see what happens there. You're okay, pretty boy. Alright, go on. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Come on. Alright. 10. No. I'm gonna say 10's gonna be way too small. Oh, I'm telling you, I should have picked one over that way. This right here is giving me a problem. A bad problem, yep. Okay. So, it is going to be bigger than I thought. Alright, I already trimmed that side. I ain't trimmed this side yet. Alright, here's 10 on my line here and 10 down here. Wow. That is going to be a lot, a lot. Yeah, I might go over to 10 and a half on my, yep, I like that better. Alright, so we're going to go down to 10 and a half. Oh, come on, don't do that. Okay. Oh man, I hate doing this. Oh, can't do it there. Alright, hopefully. Come on. What are you doing? Now I hope it'll work. We have got seam line. Yes. This right here needs to be kind of. Well, I need a bigger space. This next one's going to be even harder. Alright, there's 10. And a half. Where is my salon? Right there it is. 10 and a half. 10 and a half. Okay, go up, 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 up. The 10 and a half. Half, 10 and a half. Alright, it's a little bit off over here. Alright. I gotta move it up on the table. 10 and a half. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's get this one out of the way. Yep, that will be it. Alright, now we got this one to go. Come on, fold up there. Yeah, we don't want to mess with our sew line. Oh man, this hair is really off. Okay, I want to do it down here. Alright. We have 10 and a half. 10 and a half. Okay, right there, right. Where are you at? Okay, right there. Alright. Now. Oh boy, I hope this is right. I do. Because this is more. Okay. There. See how it's looking. Yep, that'll work. That will work. Alright, we got one more to go. I can't put it out that way. Alright, let's see. I want to go with we got 10 and a half here, and alright, I'm going to go down because this over here and this is like it's not straight. So I'm going to make it straight. I'll make sure I'm right here. Okay. Okay, right there. Go. Come on. Alright. Come on, don't do that. Oh, I hate it when it does that. And there ain't no need in it. It's like I don't even try to cut it when I do. Alright. I'm going to go 10 and a half down. And I'm not going to worry about over here, because I don't have to worry about this side. It's up here I need to worry about. So I still want to make sure I got 10.5 down here. And then we cut it right up here, if it'll let me. And now we have this one. Alright, let me see if I can't get this out of the way. Yep, we got it, and we got seam allowance. So, I don't know if I want to put that other one on or not. This one here is going to be big. Because that other one's going to be bigger. But that, I think that would look good though. Having 3 stars like that. Alright, let's see what we could do about cutting our white strips now. I don't want to use that side. They probably already have. Alright, I got a bunch of stuff here. So now I need to cut this one down to 10.5. Ugh. Cut it down to 10.5. Alright. So, grab my scissors here. Give me a cut. Right there. And now we're going to cut it down. Hopefully that's good enough. Alright, I need 4 of them. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, I got 10.5 right in here. So, let's see if I can't kind of level it up. Jigsaw it down. And what I'm going to do is cut these two sides down. Oh, come on. Alright. Now, I'm going to turn this thing around so I can get the other sides. And, now, don't do that. Damn it. I hate it when it does that. Alright. Here we go. 10.5. And keep moving it over. 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, right there. Oh, come on. Now. Those away. put them on the scraps. Alright, now, I am going to put this together. And I hope that it works. Let's see what I've got here. Oh, come on, don't do that. Should fit now. Right there. Right here. You know what? I don't know if I want to go any more that way on it. I wonder what it would work if I just do it that way. Alright, we're going to sew it down and then we'll see what happens from there.